Previous video we have seen a slightly simplified version of a quadratic polynomial. That means the coefficient of x square was 1. Now we are going to factorize the actual quadratic polynomial like ax square plus bx plus c. This is the given. If our given polynomial ax square plus bx plus c can be written as ax plus p into ax plus q, where p and q are integers, where a is the coefficient of x. Now when you look at this polynomial, this is the given, these two are the answers. Now if you can write the answers in terms of the given, then our job is done. Let us try to multiply this. First, ax into ax will be a square x square. Ax into q is axq. Then p into ax will be pax plus p into q will be pq. But here on the left hand side you have ax square, but here coefficient of x square is a square. Now divide the whole equation by a, whole expression by a. What you are getting is a square x square by a plus ax cube by a plus apx by a plus pq by a. Now this a and square will be cancelled, a and a will be cancelled, a and a will be cancelled, and there is nothing to cancel here. Pq by a stays. Now what you are getting is x square plus x cube plus xp plus pq by a. X square plus, if you take x out, q plus p you can write in this term x, in this term also x is a common factor. When you take out x, q plus p will be there. Q plus p can be written as p plus q plus pq by a. So ax square plus bx plus c can be factorized as ax plus p into ax plus q, where the coefficient of x on, now the left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? So now the constant c on the left hand side is equal to pq by a. That means a times c is equal to pq. So we need p and q. They have given a, b and c. So from the given you are writing the answer. If a and c is given, ac must be equal to the answer pq. Then second term, coefficient of x is b, here coefficient of x is p plus q. Then b must be equal to p plus q. Then okay, now that we have established b as p plus q and ac as pq, let's do some example problem. Suppose our example problem may be like 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Factorize this. So factorize. So in order to factorize this, what you need to do is you need to find out b. What is b here? Here a is 6, b is 17, c is 5. So based on what we have found out, ac is pq. But ac is actually, a into c is 6 into 5, 30. 30 is our pq. Then next is b is p plus q. B is p plus q. But b is actually 17. 17 is p plus q. So when you multiply two factor, you have 30 as the product value of the product of p and q. They should be in such a way that pq must be 30 but p plus q must be 17. In how many ways we can write 30 as the product of two factors? 30 into 1 or 15 into 2 or 3 into 10 or 6 into 5. But all are giving rise to 30 when you multiply, but 30 plus 1 is 31, but our p plus q must be 17. So that is not the answer. And 30 into here, it is like, what is that? 30 into 1, 15 into 2, 3 into 10, right? Sorry, this is 3 into 10. 10 into 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13, which is not our answer. 6 plus 5 is 11, which is not our answer. But 15 plus 2 is 17. So this answers for this. Hence, we are going to proceed by splitting the middle term. So 6x square plus 17x plus 5 can be written as 6x square. You are going to split. So 17x can be split into 15x plus 2x, because 15 into 2 or 15 and 2 are the factors. But when you write, you have the choice to write 15 into x plus 2x or 2x plus 15. So this 15 associated with 2 will be easier, or the last term is 5. So 15x can go with 6, but this 2x can't go with 5. So what you can do here is, instead of writing 15x plus 2x, you can write 2x plus 15x, because this 2 will go with this 6, 15 will go with only 5. So interchanging here matters. As I said in the previous video, the order doesn't matter except where in some cases. But 6x square can, here 2x is there, 6x square can be written as 6 can be 2 into 3 into x square plus 2x plus 15 can be written as 3 into 5 into x plus 5. In the first two terms, if you take out the common factors 2 and x, 2 and in x square there is 1x, then you can write 2x out. If you take 2x out, there will be 3 left out and there will be 1x from the x square. Plus in this 2x only is there. If you take out 2x can be written as 1 into 2x. Just because you have taken out 2x, you will have 1 will be there. Plus 5x and 5. So 5 can be taken out. If you take out 5, 3x will be there, plus 5 is actually 1 into 5. If you take out 5, 1 will be there. Now look at these two, you can group. So 3x plus 1 is the common factor between the first term and the second term. If you take out 3x plus 1, 2x will be there, plus 5 will be there. Then the factorized form of 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus